Good morning Instagram, good morning YouTube, good morning Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 24th of August. Almost forgot. Chilling back right now, guys. We got unemployment claims coming up here in about, I would say, about 16 minutes or so. We got a bearish bearish daily, very weak bearish daily. We have a pretty strong bearish 4-hour candle. I'm liking that a lot. 30-minute candle's actually looking beautiful for a sell. So I'm really getting myself relatively mentally prepared for a sell position here, but I want to just double check and see what the parameters look like. So far this candle would be about, 25 pips generally about for the stop loss. So we're gonna see how this turns out for us, guys. Looking good so far, honestly. Really want to make sure this candle closes below the support, and then we can go ahead and get that clean sell. So that's kind of like the idea though today. But until then, we're just being patient, guys. Really just waiting for the news event, because the news event's gonna tell us a lot. Also, we're gonna get some spreads coming in, so it's gonna be pretty intense. This could be a quick trading session, guys, to be honest. We're going to have a lot of volatility in a very short period of time. Damn, my bad. I just coughed right into the mic. I should have just dropped that. I'm sorry about that, guys. Previous daily resistance as well. I'd be kind of shocked if this daily wanted to push up even further, with this still a huge potential that we could do that, honestly. So definitely got to make sure this 30-minute candle closes below 1915. This nigga's so stupid.
Whatever. Now this is the kind of. Hell yeah, homie, you want to your mustache off here, man, right now, fool. Check it out, fool. Little touch here. This one I call fucking divide and conquer, homie. Segregation, homie. Gotta keep them separated. Catch a little fade here. Catch a little fade there. Just give your stash a little divorce, homie. Those fools are beefing it right now. Oh, fucking ready for the ball, homie. What's cracking? Oh shit, the big homie Zorro.
Nigga's stupid.
Hell yeah, homie.
The only kind of revenge that you can get on a woman is this. Say goodbye politely. Keep working hard. Increase your value as a man. And wait till you are the man. She's just now some chick. She's like, Tristan, you know, it should have always been you. And you can either tell her no or break her heart again. Then you win. That's the only way to get revenge. The only kind of revenge.
Alright guys, you got about 4 minutes. It's gonna be pretty intense here, guys. See how this position goes. So far so good. So far so good. Position looking like we will be getting to these sub positions here relatively soon. Excuse me, chat. Sorry about that. This is exactly why, guys, we are patient in the markets and we wait right now. This candle is now printing very, very, very a weak bearish and not under the support. So this sell position right now is invalid. So far I'm going to take no sell position if this candle doesn't close below the support. We still got 56 seconds, so a lot can happen. Guys, we got about 30 seconds now. Hopefully we can start closing below the support. If so, we can go ahead and take our sell positions. If not, we're going to stay patient and see what happens in the markets. Potentially our next trade to be at NYSE. We might just have to let this play out, watch and see what happens. At the moment, as we speak, it doesn't seem like we're having any trade. I'm not making a trade. Price is now spread super high. We're just letting it chill. What's going on, Space Joe? Gonna take a sell right there. Try and get that sell when there's not so much spread. Since it is high volatility news, I am going to close a certain percentage. Just going to close half just so it's not too big of a deal on the account. I'd like to get the experience. What's going on, Space Joe? How's everything going for you, bro? So I 50% position right there instantly because honestly, it's just such high volatility news. I don't want to take a major loss, especially with such a good week we've been having. I'd rather 50% it just to put less skin in the market, and we get to get the experience, and I get to get my confidence up with this trade. With news going on and stuff like this, it'd be very, very, it's interesting. Went and took a sell in this position because I felt like, you know, we would start trending bearish, or not necessarily trending bearish, but pushing bearish, and not to mention that my spread started getting low here. So with the spread getting lower, I was like, okay, this is a good opportunity for me to enter into the position instead of getting just fucked up spread and having a super bad entry. Price didn't close where I wanted to initially, but since we started pushing down, I kind of took an impulsive entry on this next candle. So far it's been a little wishy-washy, guys. Hasn't been the best trade so far, but we're still in the position. We're gonna see how we can manage this. So far what I've done to manage it is because it's been so wishy-washy, and it's kind of I can't say the probability is too high on my favor. I feel like it's relatively high. Um, but just so I didn't second guess myself and the play ended up going where I wanted to go and I didn't enter, I at least wanted to take some skin off the market. And as soon as I entered, I went ahead and 50% in part of that trade so that if I do lose, it's just a very small percentage. Yeah, very good to see you though, Space Joe. How's everything going with you, my guy? I appreciate you posting those charts too, man. Let me just remind you that. Thank you so much for posting those charts in the Discord. I'm trying to get everybody in that Discord to start posting charts, man. Whether they, professional traders or not. I'm trying to see those charts, man. The only way we're gonna get better is if we put down our analysis and we get this action going. Can we just see it flood down? Starting to see it kind of flood. Waiting on GJ? Yeah, bro. GJ is a nice pair to trade. Or a little retracement on gold and sell. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Hopefully we keep pushing down, then we can have that retracement come back up. You know what I'm saying? Definitely can see what you're talking about. Especially towards like NYSC. I just felt like this would just drop. I feel like that daily candle wants to start pushing down. And with that being said, I just didn't want to miss his position. So I was able to get into the play with the impulsive entry, but I didn't feel comfortable holding the full position, so I just closed 50% right at entry. I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks 'cause it's not like getting as much profit as I usually would, but at the end of the day, it's like I'm getting the experience, and like I haven't been dealing with too much drawdown, so it's actually been quite solid. Alright guys, since we hit about our 1-to-1, but we haven't took profit because we already 50%ed, I'm just going to go ahead and put a stop loss or break even at this point, guys. Actually, I'm going to wait till the candle closes, then I'll go ahead and do that. I'll wait till the candle closes, then I'll fully do that. All right, no biggie, guys, no biggie here. We got hit stop loss break even. Rather play it safe than sorry, so it is what it is. Not too bad though. Honestly, pretty good position. Alrighty, folks. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. I'm gonna just close it for today. We gave our position a shot today. It is just a break-even trade. You can't be mad about it. I felt pretty good about the position in general. It would have been greater if we could have just kept pushing down, but obviously we didn't do that, so it's okay. Definitely like the experience I gained from this trade. Able to impulsively enter pretty well. Honestly, if I just would have held and not 50%ed, I could have just closed full and actually had a profitable day. But just to keep myself in the trade, not so worried, I went ahead and 50%ed that trade. But obviously, if I didn't end up doing that, I could have profited right there at that 25 pips when it hit 25 pips. Yeah, we could have easily, closed that out and just called it a day. Regardless, guys, good to get that experience in, but thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Space Joe, I appreciate it like a mug, bro. Really good to see you, man. Hopefully we get to see some more trades that you take today. Everybody else that's tuned in today, hopefully everybody's able to learn something today, and I'll be back tomorrow, guys. We got some pretty big news tomorrow as well, so we got a very interesting day tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. But most likely, guys, we'll be taking another trade, hopefully, another profitable one. But regardless, folks, thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. Appreciate it. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.